What's up, beautiful people, my friends, my family? How's everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing great. So my name is Christina Nyirahemana. This is the Happy Breast family. So today we'll be cleaning slash organize this kitchen cupboard and this one behind me. In other words, I'm making the list for grocery for next month. So we'll be removing all this, clean it and organize. So let's get started. This is not the one which is in here, it's the beans which is in here. I don't throw away these cups, I use it for organizing my kitchen. And this one, this is not a powder, it's the lentils. So I will start first at the top. Then bring my towels, paper towel and water with vinegar. This cupboard is, it have a deep that side. Normally in the corner that side, because this one I don't need that anytime soon. I found it on sale at Costco. I grabbed one, so I will send it in the corner there. With these red beans. And this one goes next to it. Lentils come next to it. Yeah, then go back to my diced tomato. Then go back to spaghetti sauce. Anyone knows how to open this can, this kind of can, please let me know in the comment section. Oh, this, I don't know how to open it. I try with my hands, doesn't work. So I went to buy milk. I found this was on sale. I grabbed one. So this new one is gonna go there at the back. I will not use it anytime soon until these are finished. So that one is done. I will be putting this Alfredo. I can even remove it from the plastic. Baking powder. Now I'm going to the second floor or second level. The reason I'm putting them that side behind me, so when I clean all this dirty thing doesn't go for or fall on it. Look, these beans hiding behind the cups. Anyone knows how to use this? Tell me how, please. I have like 4 or 5. There's I didn't put anything in front of this tomato or this side because I'm planning when I go for shopping end of this month, I will grab another packet of this. So this will come at the front, the new one will go at the back. So that's why I didn't put anything around here. This can go that side. Tell me where you're watching me from. And what time is it where you're watching? So the same day I bought that spaghetti sauce, I bought this one too. So now in this red basket is where I put all my spices. So when I'm cooking, I just put this basket and put down. I have all the spices I need. No, this is too. Yeah. Without picking up one and one. And when you put it back, it's already organized. So, there you go. Then I'll be putting back all this up. This is another curry powder. So next month I don't need it. This is a minced garlic. I have another one in the fridge. Ginger. I have another one in the fridge. I may grab one. This one too, I have another one here. We will go with this. This part, pilau masala. Another basket also, I put stuff in it. This goes here, Maggi. This salt, I bought it in Walmart, 97 cents. Lasagna sheets. this bottle I bought it in Dollarama. I have almost 5 or 7 days. The large one is in the another storage. Baking soda was in this cupboard, so it's time to put it up there. This is not your place, no matter. This one I used to wash the oven, the stove, the pot, and the sink. If your pot burns, put hot water, put vinegar, and put this baking soda. Let's stand 5 minutes. The time you come back, excuse me, it will be ready soft. Time to refill the salt. This cup was for pickles. When you finish, I use it for organizing my cupboard. So now, as you can see, this cupboard is nice and organized. It's done. I know what I need and I know what I have. So this one is done. Subscribe for part 3. I love you all. Bye guys.